On one of our standout achievements was the creation of the new discipline Baseball 5. That is why we are delighted to be gathered here today for the premiere of the Baseball 5 hashtag Play Everywhere documentary. Baseball 5 is more than just a game, it's a movement.
I really enjoyed the documentary. What touched me most was the refugee community that is also playing Baseball 5. And I mean, it's a sport that has brought some joy amongst the youth in that community. And I think any moment they play Baseball 5, they forget they are refugees. That is what the beauty of sports like Baseball 5.
Diversity in sport is obviously very important because sport is a universal language. You should help people that are not included. And I think sport is, as many people said, I don't have to repeat, is the best tool.
性別は関係なく誰でもできる環境っていうのを少しずつ作っていく、スポーツを通じてそういう環境を作っていくっていうのはとても重要なことだと思いますし、それはもう世界中どこでもそういう運動が広がれば世界の平和にもつながるんじゃないかなと私は思ってます。
The documentary today was outstanding, and I think it's important because the world is changing and the appetite for sport is changing and the consumer is changing. And I think Baseball 5 is a great example of the WBSC looking forward and approaching the sport from maybe a non-traditional point of view. And as it said in the documentary, all you need is a ball, play anywhere. And I think really this is the future.
Supporting projects like hashtag Play Everywhere is super important to Big League Advantage because it gives everybody an equal playing field. And really, no matter where you are in the world, you have a chance to play the game of baseball and softball.
Storytelling is very important. Very important because the next generation should know what we were doing now. We put in the base for the future in baseball and softball.